Hello! Okay, so today I'm going to give a review on the camera Sony NEX-FS100UK. I think that's the name. Here is the full title. Okay, and so I'm gonna compare it to two cameras. Normally I would not film in lighting this bad, but I want to make a point about how well this camera responds to low light. And so you are probably wondering, what am I talking about? The lighting looks really great. Well, then that means the camera is doing its job, obviously. And even the mic's really good, because you could totally just hear those sirens outside. And so I'm going to compare it to, first of all, this camera. This is just a normal little, I guess, point and shoot. It's a Canon PowerShot SX200 IS. And so it's 720p. And basically, I mean, I like this for taking photos, of course, but when I film, it's only because the color is really nice, but it's not full HD, so that's why I don't usually film. I usually film with this one because it's full 1080p and it's waterproof, except the colors do not come out as nice. Still a pretty cool camera. And then we will, of course, be comparing it to the Sony camera. Okay, now I'm doing a 3-camera test where I have all of them at once. Currently, I am using the audio from the NEX camera. They are all on auto. I didn't try and put them in nighttime setting or anything, so this is their natural light coming in right now. Over here, this one on the right, we have the PowerShot. In the middle, we have the Sony. And on the left, we have the Sanyo. And so that's what it looks like. Now, normally I would edit out the background noise of the audio, but I'm gonna leave it in right now, so let's switch from each one so you can hear like the general hum that it produces. Okay, we'll start with the Canon. So this is, I'm assuming there's gonna be like some background noise. I don't know how professional it is. Now the middle one, I think that one's gonna do the best, of course. I mean, for that price, better. And then over here we have the Sanyo, which I know always can be counted on to have a lovely hum in the background. Do you hear it? Okay, now we're gonna go to some test shots outside, which I also filmed in auto, and you're gonna see how each responds. Okay, and now I will just play a couple more random shots I did just to test how the camera works in general. And I think it really is a beautiful camera.
I have no idea what 3,000 plus 655 is.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped clarify why an expensive camera is obviously superior, but it's just to compare it to your average everyday cameras, you know, see the real difference between them, and it's quite incredible that even the 720 already has better colors than the 1080, even though the size is different. But of course, our Sony did the best. Thank you very much. See you next time.